Ẹnlẹ́, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí gbàgede Tana dùn. Orúkọ tèmi ni Tana, èmi sì lolùkọ́ yín lórí gbàgede yìí. Ibi ni a ti ń kọ́ èdè Yorùbá tí a sì ti ń kọ́ nípa ẹ̀yà Yorùbá lápapọ̀. If you have been following the videos on this channel, you would have noticed that we have been doing a lot of learning on Yoruba grammar. So in today's video, I have decided to move a bit from that and we'll be learning something new. In this video, we shall be learning how to say parts of the body in Yoruba language. When I was in primary school, we were taught this song, how to read part of the body. I may not be able to fully demonstrate it to you because of the video frame, but here is what it looks like. Orimi, ejika, orúnkún ẹsẹ̀. Orimi, ejika, orúnkún ẹsẹ̀. Orimi, ejika, orúnkún ẹsẹ̀. Tìrẹ ni Olúwa. So that was just saying my head, my shoulder, my knees, my legs, they all belong to you, God. But in this video, we'll be doing more than that. We're going to be reading out every part of the body, and I'll be calling out each one in Yoruba and explaining wherever necessary. So as you've heard in this song, we have Ori. Ori is the head, and in the Ori we have other parts of the body. You know, your head is not just your head, it comprises of other parts of your body. So in the Ori we have Irun, that is your hair. Irun. We have Iwájú Ori, Ipako. In English there is face and then there is eyes, but in Yoruba everything here is called Oju, and then we have the eyes that are also called Oju. So Oju is generically for this whole part of the head, and then specifically for the eyes themselves. So for these parts of Oju, we have Irun Oju, Ìpéǹpéjú, Ẹyin Ojú, Funfun Ojú, Ojú, Imú. Imú also has different parts. Góńgó imú, Ihò imú. Now we'll move on to Ẹnu. There are also different parts in Ẹnu, the mouth. Ètè, Eyin, Ahọ́n, Èrìgì, Àgbọ̀n, Ẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ́. You'll say only tọ́rọ́ lẹ́kẹ̀. You have a dimple in your cheek. Etí, Ihò etí, Ọrùn, Èjìká, Àyà. On Àyà, the chest, we have Ọmú or Ọyàn, and the nipples are called Kókó orí ọmú or Kókó orí ọyàn. Going further down, we have Ikùn, Ìdodo, Ìsàlẹ̀ ikùn. The waist, Bèbè ìdí. Thighs, Ìtàn. Private parts are simply called Ojú ara for women and Nǹkan ọmọkùnrin for men. The knees are called Orúnkún, the legs, Ẹsẹ̀, the heels, Ẹ̀yìn ẹsẹ̀, ankle, Kókósẹ̀. The toes are called Ìka ẹsẹ̀, and then the sole of your feet is called Abẹ́ ẹsẹ̀. We have Ọwọ́. The arms are called Apá. Elbow is called Ìgúnpá. Palms are called Àtẹ́lẹwọ́, and your fingers are called Ìka ọwọ́. The back is called Ẹ̀yìn. So the back of the neck is called Ẹ̀yìn ọrùn, and the buttocks are called Ìdí. There you have it, parts of the body in Yoruba language. I hope you found this video enlightening and fun. Go ahead and list part of the body that you heard me mention in this video in Yoruba language in the comment section below. Remember to try using the tone marks when you type out the words. Màá tún máa rí yín ní fọ́nrán mi. Ó dàbọ̀.